Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So you guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing a handbag unboxing video. You know I love unboxings and I love handbags if you aren't new to my channel. But if you are new to my channel, I do videos about natural hair, beauty, fashion, the love for handbags, all of that. For today's video, I will be unboxing an all leather handbag from the brand Polene or Polene. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. You know, my pronunciation isn't always the best, but it is from Polène Paris and it's originally made in, I think the only store is in Paris. So you guys, so if you are interested in this good old unboxing, go ahead and stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam and let's go ahead and get started into this good old video. So you guys, so like I said, this is an unboxing. I actually just received this package about 2 days ago, and I actually just really want to open it on my own, but I did not. It's still fully packaged, taped up. So you guys, I'm so excited to open this up. So like I said, this handbag is from the brand Polene. I will put the name down below, but it is a all leather handbag type company. All of their bags are made of leather, all leather, which I love handbags that are made of leather. I also love faux leather too if it's like a really good quality. And it is made and located in Paris. We only have one store, I believe, and it's only in Paris. Finally open up the box, you guys. So this is what I got. Here go my item right here. Ooh, so excited, you guys. Did I scratch the box? I hope not. So this is what the handbag comes in. It comes in this nice little pearl color white box, and it says Numero Un Nano. And the handbag that I actually got today was the, I believe this is a newer handbag in their collection. I think it was released maybe like the end of last year, probably December time ish. But this is the Numero Un Nano, or the number 1 Nano. So let's see what it looks like, y'all. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. If my camera can focus, there you go. So it comes with this nice paper with the Poléne design in there. And then it has the little Poléne sticker. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so it comes, ooh, this is a nice dust bag. So it comes with this nice, like this is almost like a wool, like, I don't know, it's a really nice dust bag. This really nice cream color dust bag with the Polene logo on it. This dust bag feels better than my Louis Vuitton dust bag, like no lie. So ooh, okay, so the handbag, like I said, I got is the Polene Numero Un Nano, and I actually got the color Cognac, which is a nice chocolate brown. So let me just take out all this bubble wrap. I love when bags come like this. I mean, there's not too many bags that I order that even come like this, where the bubble wrap is still on there, so I know for sure I am the first one to touch it. Oh, you guys, look at her. Oh my god, look at her. So this is the Polene Numero Un Nano. This is in the color Cognac. Now I got this from the Polene website itself. I don't think you can really order it from anywhere else. If you do, it might be like a resale type website, like I guess Poshmark or something like that. But I have been having my eye on this brand forever, since last year, like the early last year, because the quality of how it looks, it just looks so good. Like I just love the sculpture of how they actually make their bags. They actually have a bigger bag than this that I actually had my eye on last year sometime, and a part of me wanted to get it, but then again I was like, I don't know if I really need that big of a bag. So when I found out that they actually have a nano size, I was like, okay, this is my speed, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about the specs of this bag. So the price of this bag is $260, which is very affordable to be an all leather handbag and to be nice quality, which is why I've been paying attention to this brand for a very long time, because it is affordable and all leather. So the price is $260 US, and I believe shipping was 20 extra dollars, so it was $280 and no tax or anything like that, so it was just complete $280 even. This is the cognac textured leather, which they also have a smooth leather version, which is $300 instead of the $260. But I actually really love textured leather because it gives the bag some texture, like, and some character. It's kind of like a Saffiano-ish type leather, but not really. I love textured leather just because it doesn't get scratched easy like a smooth leather. And like I said, this is in the color cognac. This is textured calf leather. Is handmade in Spain. And the dimension of this is 22 inches. Is it 22 inches? Oh, 22 centimeters. Long, weighs 16 in height, I'm assuming, and then 9 centimeters in width or depth. And then they also have an adjustable strap that is 120 centimeters long, which I love strap because, you know, I love to wear crossbody bags, which this is definitely made to be a crossbody bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this bag. So this bag, if you can see up close, oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, they actually have a little closure right here for you to open it. It's a magnetic closure right there. And then in the back, they have a little pocket where you can put, like, I guess a card or something there. On the actual hooks on the back, they actually have the name Poléne on there, which I love. Really good detailing, if my camera can focus. But they have Poléne there. They have the name at the bottom, and you can see the really good texture up close. So pretty. And it also have the word Poléne inside of here too. So this is a magnetic closure bag, which I like. Just snap it like that. And then when you open it up, they also have 2 other magnetics, like if you need more spacing. This is how it looks inside. I had watched a lot of reviews before I even purchased this bag, but they said that you can't really get your hands into here, which I feel like you can. I don't know, maybe they have big hands, but you can actually just unsnap these 2 sides to get a little bit more space. Take that out. And then this is what the bag look like inside. This is a 100% cotton material inside, and it also has 1 pocket in here. It also has the Polene logo inside of the bag there. Ooh, and it also has Polene on the magnetic closures here as well. So this bag is very, very detailed, and if you want to leave these snaps open, you can, so you don't have to keep unbuttoning the bag, and it actually still keeps its shape, which is why I want to get this bag so much. So yeah, I love the detailing of this bag. It is super duper cute. The color is nice. It's a nice fall color with my melanin skin, as you can see. Beautiful. But yes, this bag is super duper cute. The design is just executed very, very nicely. I love it. And just to be $260 for a really nice quality handbag, I'm in love, you guys. It's so pretty. They actually also have a dark navy blue textured leather one that I have my eye on, but I was like, you know what, let me just get my first one first, and then maybe eventually I'll get, you know, the navy blue one, or actually ask it for Christmas, hopefully. But yes, this is so pretty. Let's see exactly what is able to actually fit in this handbag. So I got a couple things that I usually carry with me on an everyday basis. So I feel like a good bit of stuff can fit in here. So let's see. The first thing I got is my mini pochette by Louis Vuitton. That fits in there pretty good. I got my key pouch, my 6-ring key pouch by Louis Vuitton. My Kate Spade wallet or card case. My Mio, because I'm on keto. This is my little flavor enhancer. I gotta carry that everywhere, child. My mask, because we're still dealing with the corona. Okay, so that's a good bit of things. So it's what it looks like inside. And then let me go ahead and snap it closed. Okay, still snaps closed, and I still got all my goodies in there. I still have like a little bit more space. Let's see what else I can put in here. So I can put my earbuds. I feel like if I put anything else, I'm overdoing it. So maybe this lotion. Let's see. Okay, so it's still stays closed and it still keeps its shape. So it has a lot of stuff in here. It's able to keep in all of my items, my daily items, and it has no type of warping or anything like that. It still have its beautiful shape, which is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and back up a little bit so you can actually see how this actually looks on my frame. So this is the handbag right here. I am 5'2" or 5'3", one of those bad boys. But this is what it looks like if I was to carry it on the side of me like that. It's pretty cute. Now if I was to put it crossbody, this is how it looks, which is super duper cute. I love me a good crossbody, y'all. It is just so cute. It's a nice chocolate brown color, and it sits pretty much like, this is my waist area, so it sits in a good spot. It's not too low and it's not too high, which I like. So and then you can also wear it to the side like that. Super duper cute. It's a nice size for fall if you just want to use this like on the day go, run errands and stuff like that. Like, you don't need a super duper big bag. So this is super duper cute. I love this bag. So I really love this handbag. It is super duper cute. I love the structure of the bag. I love the detailing of the handbag. I love the affordability of this handbag to just be $260 before the shipping cost, but even $280 with the shipping cost is very affordable, because a lot of my handbags are way overpriced compared to this one. So this one is a really good handbag if you are trying to get into like nice leather handbags. I would definitely suggest this one, because I love this one, and this is definitely won't be my last purchase from Poléne. But yeah, so I'm actually thinking about sporting this bag out around town today with my girl, because it's super duper cute. It's just super duper fall weather-ish. Okay, put on a nice brown lip. Cute. But you guys, so if you do want the information about this handbag, I will go ahead and list it down below in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. Definitely check out this bag if you do want to start, you know, a whole handbag collection, you know, leather collection handbag. This is definitely a great choice to go like with your first handbag for sure. They also sell wallets. What else they sell? Card holders, which I was interested in. But you know, I just wanted to get my first handbag first. But yes, so also one thing to mention too, I forgot to mention, is the straps. So this is an adjustable strap. It's already adjusted on the second button, I believe, but you can actually adjust it 4 more times here. So if you do want it a little bit, I guess, shorter, you can adjust it that way. But yes, I'm definitely going to just leave it this length because I like how it fits on my frame. But yeah, if you do want to adjust it, you do have the ability to adjust it, which I love. So I hope you actually did enjoy this good old unboxing of my first Polène bag. This is the Numero Un Nano handbag in the all leather cognac color, textured leather. Hope you did actually enjoy this good old handbag unboxing as much as I did, because finally I get to have it in my hand, see it in person, and not have to wait to do this video any longer. So if you did actually enjoy this good old video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that red button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I want to post a new video and you do not miss any type of further uploads. Bye guys.